Hey guys, I'm Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a pair of headphones that were sent to me by EasySMX. These are the V07W surround sound. They are wireless thanks to the 2.4 gigahertz headphone little dongle that comes so you can plug it into any device and get it wirelessly. This right here, of course, is the specs of it. 4mm, 40mm, wireless, 360 degrees, the rotation of the headphones or the cups. You got soft cups, and of course it has RGB. And over here in the back is the real specifications. Pause the video there if you actually want to read into them a little bit. But you see there, pretty cool, not bad, sounds pretty nice. Over here, built-in sound with soundproofing, acoustic foam, adjustable ear cups, and that's it. Here it shows you what devices is actually compatible with. You see there's no PlayStation 5 there, but these, I don't know, I'm a little bit confused. I've been using these for a couple weeks already. I would say almost a month I received this. And of course, just like always, I put them back in the box so you guys can have an idea what to expect when you get them via the packages, right? This is the device that's gonna make it wirelessly. And over here on the inside, it's gonna show you guys what's in the inside here. You got a snap-on microphone. This right here snaps on. And see something. And you see there. Awesome. I'm gonna put this to the side, and of course this has a 3.5mm cable that, for example, if you want to plug it into the Xbox controller, you can actually do that by plugging in this to the headphones and this other end to the Xbox controller. Also, if you play your Nintendo Switch on the go, you can actually use this cable as well. And of course, here you got the charging cable for the headphones. They charge via micro USB. And of course, you got, the instruction manuals here. And that's it. Just gonna put this to the side. Okay, so here are the headphones, of course. And over here, let's see there, this right here is where the LEDs are gonna be lighting up. Over here, you will be able to connect the headphone jack, or not the headphone jack, but the microphone right there. Gonna put it right there. Yep, it snaps in right there, and that's it. But the cool thing is that you could just snap it off if you don't want to use it. If you want to use headphone jack 3.5mm instead to plug it into your phone, or to, like I said, on the Xbox, it doesn't work wirelessly. This dongle does not work on the Xbox Series or Xbox One. That's one thing to keep in mind. On a Nintendo Switch, I actually did test it, and it works wirelessly if you use it in TV mode. If you use this in TV mode with your Nintendo Switch and the dongle, it will actually work in TV mode. But if you want to play on the go, you're gonna have to use the cable over here. Now let's go ahead and plug this. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this to the PlayStation 5. You have to take the cable off, because if you leave the cable in, it's gonna understand that you're using it with the 3.5mm cable. So when you take the cable off and turn it on, you're gonna hear a sound that says boop beep, and then it's actually gonna be connecting to the PlayStation 5. Like you see there, when it turns on, when it's properly connected to the dongle, then these lights are actually gonna go off. These RGB lights, which looks pretty damn cool. I like the way they look. They actually rotate between 7 colors, 7 LED colors. If you want to turn it off, you can just click right here and turn off the LED, because remember, this is working via battery. And of course, it might burn a little bit more battery, but they do promise that you can get up to 8 hours of battery life. Over here, of course, if you want to turn it off, all you got to do is press it like for 3 seconds and it'll turn off the headphones, or 3 seconds and it will turn on the headphones. Over here, you want to charge it. You want to charge it right there, micro USB cable. And this right here lets you know how much battery there is on the headphones. Like you see, it has 1, 2, 3 dots. So that means they are at 75%. 4 dots, that means that there are 100%. But like I said, I've been using these for a couple weeks already, and I really like the way they sound because the isolation is incredible. And the sound is also really good. But you know, that's something that's really hard to share with you guys here on the video. That's one thing why I don't like to make so many videos for headphones, because it's hard to tell you or actually show you how good they actually sound. But you know, they go for around $70. But remember, these are available on Amazon, and Amazon prices go up and down a lot. So if you can get these for cheap, honestly, they are very well built. You know, I like the fact that you got the L there, you got the right here. That way you know which one is left and right. The cups are actually very soft but firm. You know, they do not feel cheap. A lot of times, these cushions on cheap headphones, they feel very soft, but they also feel like kind of cheap, the plastic or the leather. But this feels really damn good. No cheap whatsoever. Now, one thing that I'm actually confused is that the link that I'm going to leave you in my descriptions for these headphones, it doesn't really say the model of the headphones, but you can actually tell by the picture that they're the same ones. But it actually says 7.1 surround sound. The box that I have that I just showed you guys, it doesn't say anything about 7.1 surround sound, but they do sound really good. Another thing is, you know, this of course extends. So if you want to use it like that, extended, you got a big head, you can go and extend it. Another thing, of course, I use it without the microphone because when I play, I don't play online a lot. Normally I play my first-person shooter games or third-person shooter games and offline games with story. And, you know, I just take off the microphone because I don't really use it. So, you know, other than that, there's not much to say about it, about these headphones, just that they actually look pretty cool with the LED RGB. If that's something that you look on a cheap headphones, these are pretty cool. And of course, you could turn on and off the microphone right here. If you want to mute the microphone, you have the controls right there. Volume up and down of the microphone, you could do it right there. The PlayStation 5 automatically recognizes the headphones when they are connected to the system. So when you go to the sound section on the PlayStation 5, you're going to see right there, you'll see that the headphones are actually connected there. You can control the volume there, or of course you can control the volume here, which is, I prefer to use it here when I'm actually playing. And that's it. So, you know, like I said, I'll leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in getting one of these headphones. And of course, look at the price. If you don't like them, you could just return them. And another thing, the reason why these controllers are here is because I did an unboxing for this company of a Nintendo Switch controller like a couple months ago, and I didn't really like the color of the controller. So with these headphones, they actually sent me another pair of controller for the Nintendo Switch. This is like the bloody stained edition, white for the Nintendo Switch, and I've been using it since day one. It's practically the same controller that I did the unboxing, which I'm gonna leave attached at the end of the video, but different color. Love it. I love how it feels, and it feels really nice, just like the Nintendo Pro Edition. It is internal battery, so you can actually charge it via USB-C, and the buttons and everything feels really damn nice. They light up and all that. So I've been using these since day one, since I got them. But of course, this video is for the headphones. So guys, if you have any questions about these headphones, just leave it in the comments. Like I said, I'll leave links in my description. This right here, the leather stitching and all that, like you see there, the leather stitching actually feels really nice, very well done. And it's over here, like see there, over here feels really soft. So it doesn't, you can wear these for hours and you're not gonna get tired of using these headphones. These light up only if they're using wirelessly with the dongle. If you're just using the headphone jack with the 3.5 millimeter, those RGB lights, they're not gonna be lighting up, okay? Just in case, most likely somebody's gonna ask that, well, now you know. So guys, thanks for watching this video. This was a look at the EasySMX V07W surround sound headphones perfectly for PC, PlayStation consoles, and the Nintendo Switch in TV mode for it to use wirelessly and with the RGB activated. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.